Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how the situation at the moment in Kuta area on March 2022. So if you want to know how the situation at the moment in Kuta area, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today I will update how the situation at the moment in Kuta area, and our journey today start from Legian Street. And as we know together, Bali are open for 42 countries without quarantine on our government list, and also we receive VOA, visa on arrival, and cost for visa on arrival is 500,000. Okay guys, let's see together how the situation at the moment in Kuta Bali. And now we are on Legian Street. Yeah, so far in this area there is more shop are open. Day per day there is a lot of shop are open now. But we can see together on the sidewalk still look very empty, isn't it? There is not so many people walk around on the sidewalk. You see left side? Yeah, there is a tourist walk around on the sidewalk. Actually, I'm gonna say like about a month ago in this area still very quiet and there is not so many people walk around on the sidewalk. But now step by step I can see the tourists because we are opening for international tourism without quarantine and visa on arrival start from 7th of March. And now step by step Bali getting better and more tourism come to Bali now. But you see left side and right side? Yeah, there is some shop are open but there is some shops still closed actually. And now we are at Central on Raya Legian Street. In this area is very busy during the night time because in this area there is a lot of nightclub. Left side there is VIP, Sky Garden, Engine Room right side, and also left side there is Apache, Bounty Club, and Paddy's Pub. Always busy during the night time. Okay, now we continue driving on Raya Legian Street. Yeah, so far in this area we can see there is a lot of people walk around on the sidewalk. They doing some shopping in this area because as we know together, Legian Street is very famous for shopping area because also in this area there is a lot of hotel and some villa. I hope this video gives you an information about the real situation at the moment in Kuta area. Yeah, so far Kuta area is getting better. More shops are open and more tourists walk around on the sidewalk. And I see more tourists now. It is quite busy, isn't it? That's really good. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment on Raya Legian Street. You see right side? Yeah, there is a lot of shop are open. I mean like I'm gonna say about 60-70% the shop are open in this area. Okay, now we turn right because we will update how the situation at the moment on Pantai Kuta Street. And now we are on Pantai Kuta Street. Actually, since the pandemic happening in this area, there is a lot of shop closed. Until now, there is a lot of shop still closed in this area. But when we are nearby a central of Kuta shopping area, nearby Kuta Beach, there is a lot of shop are open right there. So we can see together. Right side? Yeah, there is some shop are open now. That's really good. Usually in this area there is a lot of shop are closed. But now, step by step, they are open. Okay guys, now we are nearby central of Kuta. Yeah, there is some people doing some shopping in this area. Oh, it's traffic now. That's really good. Let's see together how busy the street at the front Kuta Beach today. Because usually in the afternoon there is a lot of people going to the beach. So that's why in this area get the traffic jam. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world missing Bali for sure. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali. Yeah, this area is finally looks so busy. You see the gate at the front? There is the main gate to go to KUTA Beach. Oh, beach look very quiet. But we're not sure inside, maybe there's a lot of people down there. Let's see together how the station at the moment on KUTA Beach Street. Right side, the Hard Rock Cafe. Yeah, it is look busy, isn't it? It's so traffic in this area. You see left side, there is the police. Look up the traffic. Oh yeah, it is look so busy. There is a lot of car and motorbike driver in this area, and now I get stuck on traffic jam. You see left side? Actually left side is parking area for motorbike for people who come to KUTA Beach, but there is not so many motorbike parking today. Yeah, now we got stuck in traffic jam. It is a traffic today, isn't it? Because at the front there is one big mall we call Beachwalk Mall, the biggest mall in this area, and usually right there there's a lot of people catch the taxi and also drop down from the taxi. So that's why in this area so traffic jam. But so far in this area left side there is also a lot of car parking. That's really good. It is very busy, isn't it? See left side? Yeah, there is a lot motorbike parking there. It means like lots of people going to the beach today. Finally, Bali step by step is getting better and more tourists come to Bali. On the video, we already seen some tourists walk around on the sidewalk. That's really good. Okay guys, let's see right side. That is drop and pick up zone for the taxi. And also the entrance to go some cafe at the front Beachwalk Mall. Yeah, it is look a bit busy, isn't it? That's really good. Okay guys, let's see together how's the situation at the moment at the main gate Beachwalk Mall. We can see together how busy down there. You see at the front right side? Yeah, there is some cafe at the front Beachwalk Mall. And it is look so busy. I mean there's some people there. That's really good, isn't it? It's quite busy. And also actually it's very hard for me to drive in this area because it's so traffic jam. So I just be waiting for the car moving step by step. You see left side? There is a lot motorbike parking at the front Beachwalk Mall. Some people they going to the KUTA Beach and some people going to the mall. Okay, now we reach the main gate Beachwalk Mall. Oh, there is a tourist there. Ah, not so busy, but some people there. That's really good. You see right side? There is the car parking area for Beachwalk Mall. And also some hotel there too. Okay guys, now we continue driving on KUTA Beach Street. Yeah, totally, I gonna say in this area is getting better compared with the last week. Okay guys, enjoy the video until the end because after KUTA Beach Street, I will explore how the situation at the moment on Melasti Street. And also you can enjoy the Bali traditional music. guys, so this is the situation at the moment on KUTA Beach Street. So what do you think? It looks so busy, isn't it? That's really good. And now I will turn right because I will update how the situation at the moment on Melasti Street. Yeah, now we are on Melasti Street. On Melasti Street there is one art market and also very famous. And we can see together how the situation at the moment in Melasti Art Market. You see left side? There is the parking area for Melasti Art Market. Oh, look the car parking there. It looks so busy, isn't it? That's really good. And also I'm really happy because there is a lot of shop open there. That's really good. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment on Melasti Street, and thank you very much for watching my video, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.